Easy usage and water in a click. Hi everyone, this is Gabriel Ababa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Easy usage and water in a click. Modern, stylish, and durable. Stainless pipe. Chargeable with USB cable. Capacity up to 1.9 liters. This is water in a click. USB charging automatic water dispenser. Approximately I charge this 2 hours and it will be fully charged. Regarding the battery life, it takes 4 months before the battery died. Doing like this manually. Sometimes you cannot control. You do it like this. The button. It will automatically stop. Press again if you add more. Press, stop, press. This is the box. I bought this one in Family Food Center for 39 Qatari Reals, for around 500 pesos in Philippine money. Let's go unboxing. Let's see what's inside. It comes with a micro USB cable, motor pump. As you can see, very portable and very light. This is the metal host, the plastic host. This is the charging port, on and off button. So maybe there is a free recharge on this. Let's see. Yeah, there's a free recharge on this. You will see the silicone. This is without silicone. So let's put it here in the hole. So it's required to have the silicone because it will trap the leak of the water. So let's push. Okay, either you will use this or the other side. It doesn't matter because it's the same. So let's put it inside. That's it. Let's try now. Insert the host. Press the button. Then press. It will automatically stop. Press again if you add more. Press, stop, press. And let's drink. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and see you in my next vlog. If you have any questions, you can leave your comment below. Thanks for watching!